This week's liturgical readings, in particular the first reading, focus on the life of Moses, who is clearly one of the most important figures in the Hebrew scriptures. And rather than just retell the story of Moses, what I want to do is show how, when the early Christians reflected on the life of Jesus, they found in Moses and in the story of the Exodus a foreshadowing of some of the events of the life of Jesus. And so what I want to do is show how in this week's readings the stories about Moses were used as foreshadowings of the coming of Jesus and his life and his mission. So the first reading for today talks about how the Hebrews were oppressed by the Egyptians and how they were forced to do hard labor. And it's in this context that Moses appears. By the same token, at the time when Jesus was born, the Jewish people were being oppressed. But now, by Rome, by the Roman Empire, they were forced to submit to the emperor worship, which was so prevalent in the empire. The Romans were attempting to commercialize the farming areas of Israel by taxing the subsistence farmers, by impoverishing them, and then by seizing their land. And so we see a parallel here. Jesus came to liberate the Jewish people from the tyranny of the Romans. Moses was called to free the Hebrews from the tyranny of slavery in Egypt.